Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. There are actually two things you can try to fix this issue. First, open your WhatsApp settings, then go to chats. Here, make sure that the media visibility option is turned on. This setting allows newly downloaded photos and videos from WhatsApp to appear in your phone's gallery. Second, go back to settings, then tap on Storage and Data. Under Media Auto Download, choose the types of media you want to automatically download when using mobile data and Wi-Fi. After doing that, check if your WhatsApp media is now showing in the gallery. If it's still not working, I recommend backing up all your chats, then uninstalling WhatsApp and reinstalling it again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.